Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna mark my concrete so I know where my box goes. Because this is around 46.5 inches. And so the height here, it's, yeah, like 5 3/4. We could say 6, right? Because we're okay. So 6 times 1/4 is equal to 1.5 inches. So we're gonna add 1.5 inches to our measurement. So 46.5 plus 1.5 inches is 48 degrees. I'm gonna move it to 48 inches right here. For 30 degrees is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So I have to go 12 inches back. And then those are my first 2 marks. Now what I gotta do is measure the width of this. The width of this is, it's 7 5/8 right there. And then I'm gonna copy that distance. So well, it was 12, so I gotta do 12 again. So I have my four measurements, right? My inner bend to match up with the concrete, and then my outer bends to go back to the floor, right? So I'm gonna measure 2 and 4 1/4. So I'm gonna bend this at 10 degrees. 10 degrees again. All right, where are they? Okay, this is my first inner bend. You see the way my bender's facing? If I bent it right here, it would bend where that brick's at, right? Yeah. I need it to bend outside the bricks. So I gotta flip this over and face it this way instead, right? Because these 2 inner bends cannot be infringed on, I guess. So I'm gonna go underneath. I'm gonna line it up here. I'm gonna make sure my offset is upwards, because this is bending downwards so that this can bend straight. So this is the orientation I like it at. I'm gonna make sure that it's straight. Yeah, it's straight enough. And just to reiterate, this is my first inner bend and that offset is facing up. So I'm gonna bend this at 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees again. Okay, right there. Okay. $30 degrees. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Aye. Yes.